So I had my stuff in cinematic mode for fishing videos. Now I got back in super view. Let's see if there's a difference. I'm riding Freebird again. And we're gonna go take the new trail, Cephalus, I think it's called. Woo. I don't know, these jumps you don't want to hit over 20 miles an hour. You're landing the bottom there in the flats, and that's no fun. That was a jump where my pedal broke. You got this little kid ahead of you just cutting you off. Oh no, I don't want to hear about you. Oh, I'm in the wrong gear. Slow start. Was that where they done work digging it up? It's awfully loose in here, that's all I know.
That was worth the walk out. That was fun.
I think it enters right here. Oh, there's some new work for the rock garden. I went the wrong way. They just raked out a spot to avoid that mud puddle. I don't even know where the trail's going here. Blue lens is not the color to wear in the dark forest. Oh, that is slick. Helps that you're not in a crappy gear so you can't pedal either. Man, these roots are something else. I don't know what's new and what's old right now. But hey, they've been working on a trail. Good to see. And this off-camberness and these roots, they do not mix. Whew. Foot down back there.
That was awesome.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
He crashed in the same place I did last time. You slid on the roots. He took them and went right down. I fell the same place last time.
God, he found it. I was like, he's never gonna find your phone.
What?
You found it?